guys, oh my god. Do I look handsome right now? Feeling mo naman. So, hi guys, it's me, Luigi, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. For today's video, we will be having a reaction video for the Ode to Love. Ode to Love, I don't know if I am correct. But this is the NCT Wish music video. Kamba, you know, sometimes Sean, Ryu, or Jay, or... Malipat-lipat. So now, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to be updated may every upload. Lalagay ko dito. Cute! Oh my god, may bias. Oh my god. Iyan na talaga ako ng bias. Anim na sila. Ay, 9 pa. Oh my god, guys. Rico, oh my god, Rico. This is so insane. What the? Oh my god. This is so insane. He looks like a baby. A lot of tissues. Sean and Jay. Oh my gosh. That part, I love that part. This is tapos si Rico. Ang ganda. Ang ganda. Ganun eh. Tamis ko sila agad. Oh my god, my sheep! Oh my god! You know, Rico Yoshi, sheeper. Oh my god. Guys, sting this. Oh my god. You see? Jay is muscle and the prettiest. Oh my god. The face. Know who is your bias also. Okay? So that I know who is your bias. That part. Wait. The bed scene. Oh my god, Rio Center. Oh my god, butterfly. Oh my god, I love this. Oh my god, Sion. Oh my god. Oh my god, guys. So that's the end of our video. Oh my god, guys. Stream this. Oh my god, I love NCT Vision. Oh my god, NCT Zen. Bye. So this is the end of our video. I love you all, guys.